Okay, which means that the only person now that does not know is Ubabgas. Yes, Ubabgas Vele Junior. That is the only person that does not know ukuthi la ekhaya kuzoba nomntana omncane and ubaba wakhe umthunzi. Now, this happened soon after Untutuko had a sit down with the mother because he was observing how Umthunzi was looking at his mother and how the conversation was going between the two, how they sometimes here and there held hands and trying to keep it together. But it was like, no, khona kushaya amanzi la. Instead of me ngicabangela, let me ask ngiqonde ngqo esikhonkosini ngibuze. And he did. He said his mother done and said, listen, I was observing how you guys were looking at each other and I'm just not too sure what is happening. Do you mind to tell me? Because in his mind, as he was elaborating, it sounded like Umthunzi was now taking advantage or bekambheka ngenye indlela engekho right and the mother was not aware. Only to find out that there's something that has been going on, and not only has it been going on, but Ulihle also know, which kind of broke his heart to say, "Aw, kushuthi umuntu ongazi la, yimina ngiyi-one." Then he left. Now I'm just wondering when he get to learn that there's a child coming way, but that is just going to be something else. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanibonani abisheni molweni minjani? Hipukile hingongwina. So namuhla kana ngolokwa hina ba Scandal hikuma ko Ruslov tsamtsakangi kahle, looking at the fact that when they were still having the launch, then Ubab Gasa walked in. It was like, how? I was not aware that Mthunzi, you are here. I get ulona athi no, you know what, I'm the one we mean ummemile ubabncane. And little did he know but that he is actually his mamncane because uyashaya ngapha kuma wakhe. He didn't know. And obviously that made uNhloso not to feel very comfortable to say, oh, but let's sit sami low key. They are the zitas, but low key. They don't want to show it because they don't like each other anyway. So now he said no, he was not going to sit down. Athi-ke uNtuthuko hamba vele uye kumndeni wakho because siyazi vele unemindeni emibili wena. So there's nothing that will keep you here. While mind you, on the other hand, abantwana bakaDintle, they received ama-laptop, uyena wathenga iskafu as a gift, and then uDintle wamthengela iwatch. Now he was a bit bothered. Guti, why would you buy me a gift that is very expensive? We said we're trying to save, and something in me tells me that those tablets, they were bought by Dintle, and then Dintle pretended as if the husband was the one that bought them, just so ukufihlihlazo like hi. A question was raised as he was leaving the house to say, are you going to, because uthengi yobona abanye abantwana? So now Ukhanyi asked if he is going to buy gifts for them too, and he was like, no. And I felt it's a bit unfair. If you handed gifts to labantwana laba that are not yours, why wouldn't you buy ama gifts for the kids that are yours? And then you would walk in and say, casually so empty-handed, and say, bengithi ngindlule ngibulise, and then hayibo ngiyajika. And then Ulihle was like, no, sit down, let me get you something to eat, which happened. Well, on the other hand, that ngale ubhotsoto ubathwere ka line and le mithi ha ke re ka maka wa bolela ka mo ha he was lying to them, and it looked like a very Christmas lunch. Speaking of another Christmas lunch, uMavuthela o ka re o ditshwaretse mo Victor, but the problem is uTlogi did not sneak up on him, but she found him drinking medication, of which it was twice in a row, and asking herself, what is he drinking? Why is he drinking medication? What is this medication for? Now, she did not get answers, but then she said to herself, you know what, because haritse hore mo ho irahalang motho a shuwe ka dipilisi haritse gore di size mang. Okay, sharp. Now, Mavuthela was not really convinced. She said people do take medication for different reasons altogether. Speaking of different reasons, Mama Teps decided guti ufuna kabusha, and then akitse gore o nyaka go kry tiro or something. But at some point she was calling Tiro to ask if Tiro has access to Betcha Fella's monies, and then he said no, the system has been upgraded, which means he does not have access. Now the question is, when she says she wants to upgrade herself and start afresh and do something out of herself, what does that actually mean? For some unknown reason, I do not believe her. I think she was just buying face, because Teps said that she was not okay, and then he got information would see she was acting strange. Now she says it's because ke la ntlha ke ja Christmas ke le one papa how us thing. So now I'm just trying to pick up myself, put everything together and try and move on, which is not easy for me, which is something that I will try and do. Skado Ashuo batla go di tsunya lenyalong. She says she wants to be a wedding planner. It is not accepted.